Here at Pro Firearm Licensing, we assist with the applications for your firearm licenses. We ensure that all the required documents are complete and correct. Browse the website and familiarize yourself with what we do. The website has a Google Translator feature that allows you to browse in any of 7 official South African languages. Choose a language that you are comfortable with, and the website content will change to suit that language. It won't be 100% correct because we use Google Translate for this feature, but it will give you a good idea. Please take note of our cookie and privacy policy. Your privacy is as important to us as it is to you. This demonstration is for an online application to show you what the process is and what it entails. For this demo, we are going to apply for a firearm license by clicking the Add to Basket for the service we wish to use. Once you have made the choice, be sure that the service you selected is correct. Ask your training provider or the person you are doing your license through for their PRO coupon code. It's normally a cell phone number. If they don't have one, tell them to register on our site to get one. You get a discount and they get a commission for every application. As this is a demonstration, we are going to use fictitious names and numbers for this purpose. Enter all your details on this page. This is for billing and not the details you are going to use for your official application. Make sure you choose a very strong password. For this demonstration, I am using the Yoko Test credit card. This is strictly for testing purposes. Through Yoko, you can also use the EFT facilities or Google Pay. Check that everything is correct and place the order. We are now at the beginning of the process for applying for your license. Here you have your application details. You will also receive this as an email. Make sure again that this is all correct. Depending on your choice of service, there are download files specifically for that service. One which is in all the services is a detailed guide, which will guide you through everything you need to do and how to do it. Once you have paid for the process and are happy that everything is correct, you need to go to your account page. This is where the real process begins. On your account page, you have your dashboard and a menu list on the left. This is your main dashboard where you have your basic details. Just to mention, all forms, applications and emails will be dealt with in English as this is the requirement by SAPS. You can check your orders on the orders page. Here you can check the details of the order again. For this we have the order for the firearm license. You also need to proof of safe storage, of which we have the form here that needs to be completed and signed by you. This is where you find the application checklist. Once you have completed a task or function which is on your detailed checklist, you can then cross it off here. As we complete the stages, the indicator will show how far we are from completion. Your address and billing details are what you completed for this application. Your account details are for changing your password, name or email address. There are 2 forms, do them both, as they provide different information. While we evaluate, we are able to give you feedback on what is still required or where there could be a problem with your application. Accurate completion of these forms are the most important tasks. They provide the information required to prepare your exact application. For firearm license renewals or application, you need to complete the firearm details section. Once you have completed the forms, they will be saved on your forms page and sent to us automatically for the process to begin. This gives you the opportunity to check for corrections. If they are not completely correct, you will need to do them over. When the forms have been completed and you have gathered all the necessary certified documents and images, scan all your documents. Your local stationery shop or print shop will usually have a scanning service. All your documents need to be scanned and uploaded so that we can check them. Once you have gathered all the necessary scanned documents, upload them on My Documents page. Choose the file or files you want to upload and press Upload Document. You will see that the documents with the appropriate names will be uploaded in a table on the page. Press the Submit documents so that we can receive them on our side. I am going back to our Downloads page. This is important because this is where you will find your guide to every step of the process. In the detailed guide, you will find the exact steps and documents you need in order to apply for your license. You can't leave anything out of this list. Along with the forms you have completed and the research that we do on your behalf, this will form the total package for your license application. Then lastly, we have a breakdown of everything we have discussed about the pages in your account menu. After we receive all your documents and gathered the necessary supporting information, we will upload your completed PDF package. You download it and take this along with the necessary fees to your closest SAPS office and hand it to the designated firearms officer or DFO. Now is the time to start the ball rolling and get yourself legal. Thank you for your time, and we look forward to doing all your applications.